Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Bruce here, Stock Markets with Bruce. Welcome to the show. Today's date, December the 15th. We just got through the long-awaited Federal Reserve meetings that have been taking place the last 2 days. All week, the stock market has been waiting and waiting and waiting for the Federal Reserve to release their commentary about what the future holds for interest rates, monetary policy, all that good stuff. That's great. We've just I've been told now that the word is out, and Chairman Powell is now having his statement being read. Basically, no surprise to the market whatsoever. What they're doing is exactly what the market was expecting they were going to do. The Federal Reserve is going to ease up on what they call injecting money into the economy because it doesn't need any at the moment, and then they're going to look at 3 interest rate hikes into 2022 if inflation continues to run like it is without hurting unemployment, which at the moment isn't a problem because everyone can get a job if you want a job. And they want to just tamper inflation down a little bit. This is one way to do it. The problem is, and the delicate balance is, you don't want to push too far too fast with interest rate rises because you might scare people off from doing all kinds of business, buying homes and developing factories and all that good stuff. They want people spending money, creating jobs, but not overheating the inflation and the economy as a whole. Now, the stock I want to talk about right now is Sofi. Sofi shares basically have been taking a hit the last week now. We were well, in the last month alone, we were up as high as $23 a share just on November the 4th. Then we were last in that neighborhood around the 15th. We were on $23 on November 15th, and we've been falling back ever since. And we've come back now $9 a share to hit this morning a low of 14.02. The question is, now that the Federal Reserve has made their announcement on banking and interest rates and tapering, the bank stocks could theoretically, as a unit, begin to move higher. And is this the signal that Sofi has turned the corner? As of this moment, with 1 hour and 19 minutes to go in the day here, we're at 14.62. We've come up 60 cents from the low of the day today. We've traded over 22.5 million shares. The shares were very lethargic this morning, very, very low volume, not a lot of stock coming in for sale. It was reluctant selling. And that bottomed out around 10 in the morning, and just around noon, that was the last of the sell-off, and we've been inching higher ever since. And as soon as the announcement came out at 2 o'clock Eastern, the stock took a shot and has gone stronger. Now the question is this the beginning of a run for Sofi over the next week or two or three to get back into this $20, $25 level? We are still waiting for the company to announce their bank charter approval. That's what we're waiting for. We're kind of hoping that it's going to happen at any time. The company's doing great. Sofi itself as an organization, adding members left, right, and crazy, lots of new customers. They're going to be allowed to start charging or collecting payments again from student loans in January. That has been delayed for 6 months now. That's going to be let go again, like every other bank. So that'll bring in flow of cash and interest. And they're doing fine on the refi market and other areas. But with the bank charter, it changes everything because they can now take in deposits, pay interest on deposits, and loan out their own depositors money for higher markup. We'll see how it goes. 1467 right now is where the stock is at. It's already hit 1487 on this run. And don't be surprised if it does have a snapback rally of a couple of dollars. It is way, way oversold. Those of you out there who have been writing cash secured puts, are you going to be smiling from ear to ear? Because I think that this stock is definitely on its way back to 20, in my personal opinion. And anyone who wrote puts where they're offering to buy this stock from $20 or 17 or 16 or 15 for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 months, even a year out, I think you're going to have a field day with this thing. This stock reaches $20, $25 a share. All those puts are worthless. You get to keep all the premiums you've generated by selling these calls. I think you're going to do rather well. It isn't too late to get in on that either. Once these shares break 20, watch out. a lot of my viewers will begin to write call options and be bringing in a lot of revenue into their accounts again. This stock will give and give and give for years and years and years. If you want to know how cash secured puts work, you want to know how to write options against stock you already own, bring in income from a portfolio you've already got that's just sitting there. Why are you just holding stock? You've got to be generating income from it. Charge rent for your stock by writing call options. Check out my website, stockmarketswithbruce.ca. There are 10 lessons in there that I put together. You'll find the link up here for classes. Check out the classes. There are 10 of them. Each one is about 2 hours long. Make an investment into your portfolio by watching these lessons and understand how options work, how they depreciate, how you see how they can be written, and how you can enjoy income from your stock by having contracts just depreciate away. You get to keep the money that they give you. It's wonderful. Become the casino. Don't be the gambler. Turn yourself into a casino by learning how to write options. Same thing with calls and with puts. Check out my classes today. I think you'll be very pleased with your results. Thanks again. We'll see you every day, Monday to Friday at 8:30 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon, and on Wednesday nights, if you're a member of this channel, Primetime Live with Uncle Bruce, 8 o'clock Eastern Time, members only. We answer any questions you have about your portfolio, your markets, your option writing, whatever you're doing. We also hang out. We have a good time with that. Thank you for joining me and have a great day today. Let's keep an eye on these markets and we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.